back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about the Apple Airpods. So yeah, I just played the music, Jesus Christ. Anyway, we're going to talk about the Apple Airpods, the good, the bad, the ugly. You already know the freaking deal. Let's get straight to it. Okay, so when the AirPods first came out, I thought, Jesus Christ, these are the ugliest earbuds I've ever seen created. But as time went by, and the more I used them, my eyes warmed up to the design. They pretty much look and feel like regular wired Apple AirPods, just without the wire. Even though they look similar to their wired siblings, they come with small upgrades that help for a better fit. The AirPods cords are skinny, but they add extra weight to the buds, so if your ears aren't wired earbud friendly, they'll tend to slip out, especially if you're working out. But with no cords dragging down the AirPods, they should sit snug in your ears. But here's the catch: only if your ears conforms to the shape of the AirPod. They're really light, each AirPod weighing in at 4 grams each, and the charging case weighing in at 38 grams, helping the AirPods live up to their name. The W1 chip is Apple's custom Bluetooth chip, which is designed for automatic, seamless pairing between different Apple devices running iOS 10 or later, watchOS 3 or later, and macOS Sierra or later. Let me just say, the chip definitely delivers on what it was made to do. Just place the AirPods near a compatible device and it would automatically detect the device and ask to pair. No need to dig into settings, Bluetooth menu anymore, those days are over. If you buy these earbuds though. You can also transition effortlessly between Apple devices. And yes, the AirPods work with non-Apple Bluetooth devices, but you just won't be able to use the AirPods special features, which sucks. The AirPods work well as a stereo or mono headset, and if you want, you can use only one earbud. Apple says the AirPods are equipped with special microphones to focus on the sound of your voice. I even made a few calls with them, and the people that I spoke to said they were pretty impressed with the call quality. Thanks to the dual optical sensors and accelerometers in each AirPod, the connected devices, iPhone, iPad, and Mac, knows when the AirPods are inside your ears and pauses your music when one or both of them are removed from your ears. It's not a surprise to me, but it works perfectly with Apple Music. But beware, Spotify users, when I took both of my AirPods off, the music had to be restarted manually. The wireless connection between the two earbuds is really strong, but sometimes you'll have a little hiccup from them. I've tried a few truly wireless earbuds, and the early models were prone to dropouts. The only AirPod competitors are Bose SoundSport Free, Jabra Sport Elite, and Skybuds, which offer reliable connectivity, but the AirPods are on a whole nother level than the competition. Unlike inline remotes on wired earphones with volume and play pause controls that most people are used to, the only control the AirPods had at launch was to access Siri with a double tap on either earbud. Now it's play and pause, previous track, next track, and Siri, while also picking which AirPod performs this command. This small update came with the launch of iOS 11. For me, I put on commands which are used by most people, such as play and pause and next track. I never backtrack on songs, and I definitely never use Siri, so those are my go-to commands on my AirPods. The AirPods are open, non-noise isolating earbuds, which means they allow a lot of ambient noise and while you're listening to music or taking calls, which is annoying, especially when I'm trying to hear what someone is trying to say or when I'm trying to hear my song. Warning: avoid noisy places with these earbuds. Like I said earlier in the video, the AirPods aren't for everyone's ears. For some, AirPods will fit more snug than others. So once again, if your ears have a problem with fitting the wired earphones that Apple gives you out of the box with the iPhone, then these are not the earbuds for you. At $159, the AirPods aren't super expensive, but it does seem a bit much for plastic earbuds. They do have some high-tech features inside, but as far as design, they look like cheap earbuds. They don't even look more than $10. For my audiophiles, you can get way better sounding wireless earbuds for about $150, which is the Bose Sound Sport Wireless. You can also get the Jaybird X3s for about $130. But over the past few weeks, they've been discounted down to as low as $100. I'm just going to say this now. AirPods are not for everyone. If you have an Android, these earbuds are not for you. Like, they're just not. Reason being is because you'll be spending $160 on earbuds, and you can't use all the features that come packed into it. Once again, if the wired Apple earbuds don't fit you, then these are not the earbuds for you, because the AirPods are shaped just like its wired counterparts. Also, guys, don't worry about losing them. Well, in my case, I didn't have to worry about it. At first, it may seem like you would lose them in a heartbeat, but if you're a responsible person, you won't, because you're trained to put them in your case after you finish using them. Trust me, you get trained. If you live in a city or work in a noisy environment, these earbuds are not for you. I'm also happy to report battery life is decent on these earbuds. You get about 5 hours, which isn't bad. So here's my conclusion. They are a good buy if you can get past those cons that I just said, and if you're invested in the Apple ecosystem. Other than that, I wouldn't recommend them. Other than those things, if you're really invested in the Apple ecosystem, go for it. But if you're not, and you're just looking for the best earbuds, these are not the best earbuds. They're just way more better options than the AirPods. Hey guys, thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, do whatever you want, do as you please. But, hopefully it was a good video, and, leave a comment on the bottom, say what I can do better, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.